in the squared circle, we have Crush of the Nation of Domination. Conspicuous, however, by their absence. I don't see Farouk, and I don't see Savio.
No, I've been looking for them too, and I haven't seen them yet.
Crush one-on-one with the former World Wrestling Federation champion, ready to walk into this squared circle. And you can bet Psycho Sid is going to rock the house. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Everyone's favorite Psycho is on his way.
Crush awaiting the presence of this monster. Former WWF champion who defeated Shawn Michaels. Here in New York City at the Survivor Series. And look at this man. Is he psyched or what?
Wow.
Look at the size of this monster. Many times you'll ask a crowd, who's the man, and who would argue with him? Certainly, Crush would take exception, however, of the Nation of Domination. Again, conspicuous by their absence, Savio Vega, and the leader of the Nation of Domination, Farouk. Psycho Sid, one-on-one with Crush. What a reception by this capacity crowd. Watch yourself. Whoa, take it easy. You talk about psyching yourself up.
Look at those eyes. He's just...
Yeah.
Wow,
talk about intensity. You got to be talking about Psycho Sid.
Oh, yeah. And he is very upset he is not part of the Final Four and In Your House. Maybe he'll take his aggressions out on Crush.
And Crush, just about as big as Psycho Sid. If not bigger. This capacity crowd looking on. Here we go. Slugfest developing right from the get-go. Crush set up for the ride. Off the rope. Big boot. And you talk about the Nation of Domination. Sid, trying to dominate Crush from the get-go. And doing a pretty good job. Drops the leg. Here we go. Into a cover. Does not hook the leg. And the big man Crush able to kick out.
Sidetracked thinking of the World Wrestling Federation title that he just lost to Shawn Michaels in San Antonio.
I think he is right on the money. I think he is extremely focused.
Well, he may be feeling some aftershocks from that super kick, and Crush may be able to take over on him.
And again, a bit of controversy. Those of you who joined us live at the Royal Rumble, and it was a little poetic justice as well. Look at that over the top rope with the use of the camera. The television camera that Sid used in Madison Square Garden Survivor Series. Shawn Michaels used it. Oh, my goodness, at the Royal Rumble.
Well, you know, two wrongs don't make a right, but it did earn Shawn the World Wrestling Federation Championship.
Well, I don't know if that was it or not. Not making light of that super kick. Look at this. Now, Crush. Rake in the face, and now a succession of headbutts. Sid on the outside. This is going to be... blocked there by Sid.
Whoa, not
and Crush down into the steps.
Wow. That knocked him cold.
And the official trying to maintain some order here in this matchup, and that's not too likely. Not too likely. Wait a minute, Farouk.
Here he comes. Oh, yeah.
And Savio. Farouk and Savio, ladies and gentlemen. This spells trouble, just as we saw earlier on with Rocky Maivia. The Nation of Domination, with their presence felt. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more Shotgun Saturday Night. Welcome back, everyone, to more Shotgun Saturday Night. Yes, we are live from Webster Hall. Next week, however, we're going to take you to where it all started. Mirage Nightclub on 56th Street in New York City. Yes, Shotgun Saturday Night live from Mirage Nightclub in New York City on 56. However, right now, we're back, yes. Webster Hall, world-famous Webster Hall, jam-packed to the rafters.
Check out this crowd, Vince.
And unfortunately for Sid, Nation of Domination members here have been distracting him on the outside, and obviously on the inside, Crush has really been taking advantage.
Oh, yeah, shades of the Royal Rumble here. Sid may be thinking of the super kick he felt
and
just
Crush,
a few days ago.
Just all over Sid. Oh, my goodness. And Savio Vega trying to take a swipe at Sid during the break, as well as Farouk. And now, Sid trying to get back to his feet. Not too likely yet.
Oh, wait a minute. This.
The Nation of Domination turning out in full force here tonight live at Webster Hall with a new member, Savio Vega. And right now, Crush dominating Sid.
And he's taking his sweet old time because he knows he can.
Sid now set up for the ride to the buckle. Nicely done. Ooh, my. And here we go. This capacity crowd.
They're definitely behind Sid.
And they are definitely behind Sid here tonight. However, Sid outnumbered, obviously, by all three individuals from the Nation of Domination. However, Sid beginning to, I believe, feed off this frenzy. A block, a right hand by Sid. And another one. And oh, look at that.
Oh, not yet.
Sid and Crush going at it here, ladies and gentlemen. Shotgun Saturday night, and a big slam.
Well, having two members of the Nation of Domination.
Wait a minute, look at this. Here we go. On the outside, Farouk and Savio with the salute to Crush, and I think that spells trouble. Here we go, heart punch coming up. Here we go, heart punch coming up. That's what Crush is noted for.
Oh, here we go, it's over now, McMahon.
Wide open.
Ring the bell.
Crush for the right hand.
Whoa.
Oh, wait a minute.
He caught him. These people
Sid get
want
the
to
big
see
man up. Sid with Crush, and yes, down to the canvas.
Oh, he's going to oust them, and this is what they want to see.
Here we go. Here comes a power bomb if Sid can get him up. Sid with a power bomb on Crush. Whoa! Devastating maneuver for the count. Oh, wait a minute. Now, here they come. Here they come. Here comes Savio. Here comes Farouk. And wait a minute. What's Sid doing? Sid.
Oh, wait a minute.
Sid has a chair. Sid going right. Oh, no, he missed Farouk. Sid taking a shot there at Savio. And Sid. Oh! Did you hear that?
Nowhere else but a Shotgun Saturday night. Woo!
Psycho Sid with that chair in hand. And he is keeping the entire Nation of Domination at bay. And you know he'll use it. We certainly hope you enjoyed Shotgun Saturday Night. So long from world famous Webster Hall.
See ya.